When your hamstrings feel tight, common sense will tell you to stretch them passively with exercises like the standing pike stretch. Passive stretching exercises like this involve the use of gravity to help you relax into a stretch. This is great if you're looking for temporary muscle relief, but if you want to make lasting improvements to your mobility and flexibility, then you gotta take a more active approach. This video will be broken down into 3 parts. In part 1, you'll discover what causes tight hamstrings, and more importantly, how to fix it. In part 2, you'll learn how to assess your hamstring and lower back mobility without any fancy equipment. And in part 3, I'll show you a smarter approach to stretching for tight hamstrings. Now let's talk about what causes hamstring tightness in the first place. When your hamstrings feel tight, it's likely because they've been stuck in a certain position for too long. An easy solution is to actively release your hamstrings through a full range of motion. Sure, stretching is a great way to increase the flexibility in your hamstrings, but what you really need is more mobility. If you're looking to alleviate your tight hamstrings, then working on your mobility proves to be a far more effective strategy than stretching alone. Who says mobility has to be complicated? With this one simple movement, you can have it all. Strong shoulders, a stable core, and yes, even flexible hamstrings. The inchworm walkout is a phenomenal exercise to develop functional mobility in your posterior chain. You can do this exercise as a part of your daily warm-up or as a part of your workout routine. But what happens when this mobility assessment becomes too easy for you? For a greater challenge, you can perform a push-up in the extended position. This progression will activate your chest, shoulders, and triceps for an additional upper body challenge. Now you may be wondering how to go about increasing your hamstring mobility. Don't you worry, I've got you covered. Here are 2 exercises that'll help you get the job done. The first exercise is the kickstand good morning, which is a lesser known exercise that targets your upper hamstrings and glutes. With your legs in a staggered position, your rear leg will act as a kickstand to stabilize your body. When performing this exercise, it's important that you hinge from your hips while keeping your back as flat as possible. This will give you a greater stretch in your hamstrings. Contrary to popular belief, your spine was designed to bend, extend, and twist under load. In fact, exercises like the Jefferson curl are excellent for strengthening the muscles and connective tissues in your spine. To perform the Jefferson curl, grab a weight and stand onto an elevated surface. Tuck your chin down to your chest and curl your spine downward vertebrae by vertebrae. After a brief hold at the bottom, reverse the motion back to the starting position. When you add up all the benefits that you get out of these 2 exercises, it's easy to see that they're a much smarter alternative to stretching for tight hamstrings. If you're looking to 10 times your mobility and flexibility, head over to livefitacademy.com to learn more about our online mobility programs. And while you're there, check out the Mobility Matrix program for daily mobility routines and weekly assessments to help you increase your mobility, strengthen your joints, and improve your athletic performance. Click the link in the description to learn more. Till next time, Mikey out.